What license is required to set up company in Vietnam? According to Vietnam law, an investor whom wishes to establish a company in Vietnam must obtain an investment registration certificate from an authorization agency. The normal time limit for issuance of the investment registration certificate will be 15 days from the date of submission of valid dossier for an investment project. But it is important to build in the time for preparing the proper documents such as application, financial report, bank balance, personal documents, and many of such documents require apostille, or notarization and legalization and translation into Vietnamese before being submitted. Vietnam law does not require a minimum capital to set up a business, except for conditional investment or business lines. But investors are obliged to contribute capital according to the schedule stated in the investment registration certificate, and that the government authority has the right to request the investor to explain the business plan to their satisfaction based on the proposed investment capital. In case the investor cannot contribute enough capital according to the committed time limit, the competent authority may apply sanctions, including revocation of the investment registration certificate, or the investor has to adjust the investment registration certificate to reflect the actual contribution of investment. Once having the investment registration certificate, the investor then requests to obtain enterprise registration certificate, which takes 5 days from the date of submission of valid dossier for business establishment to complete the business setting up process.